have not gone to a lot of concerts in my life. Welcome to the vlog. It is Sunday morning and it is going to be a beautiful, fun-filled day. I have already gotten my morning started. I went to the gym, I took a shower, I made my coffee as you can tell, and I've just been sitting here chilling for a little bit. I figured I'd update you guys on what's going on in the vlog today. So I'm going to a concert. Woo! A few vlogs ago, I was doing a solo date around like the Fenway area, and I was telling you guys how Marina released a new album, Princess of Power, and my friend Jen and I are really big Marina fans. We love her music, and we were able to find some concert tickets that were pretty affordable. So later tonight, we are gonna go to a concert in Alston, which would be lots of fun. But until then, I have a little bit of work I need to get done. I need to edit so that I can have a vlog go up this week, because I actually, for the first time in about like 10 months, didn't post a vlog last Tuesday, which is crazy. But you guys, I was really just kind of feeling it last week, and there was a lot of things going on in my brain that I just like had to deal with. I was not in a really great mental space last week, especially around content. So I did give myself just 1 week where I was able to not focus on long form content, and I just told myself, you know what, let me take one thing off of my plate so that my mental load could feel a little bit better. I'm really grateful that I took the time to rest, because our bodies and our minds really do need that. I feel more like myself and I'm ready to go right back into work. So that's all to say, I really need to edit this morning, and I'll be editing for a couple of hours, and then later in the afternoon I'm going to get my little travel bag ready, and then I'm gonna head over to my friend Jen's place. We're gonna get ready together, catch up, because I think I haven't seen her in about like 3-ish weeks in person. She was sick for a little bit, so we haven't hung out in a while. We're gonna get ready together at her place, probably get some dinner, and then go to the concert. So that's the plan for today. Again, should be a very fun vlog. I'm gonna get into editing, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Say hi, Karina.
Hi.
My friend got me something.
Your friend.
My best friend, my bestie. It has a little L for Lainey. It's a blue ribbon. I feel like this is a clue. Something blue. It says, Lainey, every bride needs something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Would you be mine?
Oh my goodness, I even forgot what I wrote.
Presenting Karina's Something Blue. Defense diva, I love that. Oh my God, hydration hero. That's a smart one, because people don't think about that. We know that these Asian parties, people like to drink a lot. Like, are you gonna do the table thing where you go to every table and take a shot with each? Yeah, so we're gonna need you to be hydrated.
But now open your gift, girl.
Are you here?
Oh,
yes. Sorry, no, my Wi-Fi is like really bad. Time for the gift. I'm nervous and excited. We have a claw clip made in Italy. Wow, it's so gorgeous. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what is this? Do I have to open it?
Yes.
I feel like I have to like be so careful with this. This is like an envelope inside of an envelope. Is that coming out? Ooh.
It's a personalized lip balm.
Yes. It's so gorgeous. I'll use the lip balm, obviously, because I always have dry ass, cracked ass lips. But like, even when the lip balm is gone, like I could literally use this as a compact. It's so pretty.
Oftentimes people depot it and then use it for a jewelry case or like a pill case?
Yes! Let me put my antidepressants in here, my anxiety pills. I love that it's personalized too. Thank you so much. I will treasure these items and I am so looking forward to being your something blue. Hi guys, it's been a few hours. I got a lot of editing done, thank goodness. And I also did my lashes and my hair just to get a little head start on getting ready for the night. And now I'm packing my bag and I'm also currently filming for TikTok here. So this will be interesting because I am double vlogging right now. Ready to go to Jen's place, but I do need to feed Scout before I go. It's like an awkward time. It's like 3 right now, and she normally gets fed at 5. If I feed her now, then I feel like she's gonna get pretty hungry later at night. So what I'm gonna do is feed her half of what would be her normal dinner portion now, and then I'll feed the other half of her dinner portion when I get back home after the concert, and that'll be pretty late, but I think that will be good rather than giving her like a lot now or a lot later, you know? That way she's not hungry in between. That's the best solution I could think of, but yeah, so I'm gonna feed Scout now and then we'll head out the door. I'm gonna call my Uber very soon. Sorry, Scout. Made it to Jen's. We were hanging out for a really long time, just kind of catching up on each other's lives, talking. Now we are getting ready for the concert and we're listening to Sabrina in the background. I'm gonna do my makeup now.
Which is funny because we're going to a Marina concert.
Yes, but we love both of them. We just love the pop girlies. Yay, we are all ready. I'm all ready. Jen was already ready when I got here.
I'm so bad when people are like, let's get ready, and they come to your house. I'm like, I'm already ready. Sorry.
Well, we just hung out while I was glamming, so we got to chat. We're gonna call a car soon. We're gonna go get dinner, and then we're gonna go see Marina. Okay, this is the makeup. I did sparkly blue eyeshadow. I didn't know what kind of sparkles I wanted to do, but we went with blue because blue is pretty complementary with yellow.
I think it looks perfect.
Thank you. Dress is from Akira. Belt is from Amazon. Boots are my usual ones that I always buy from, or that I always wear from Vince Camuto, and that is the outfit we're gonna go. Bye! We're at a restaurant. We came to Hobson in Alston, and I am enjoying a vodka soda. This is a local one. It's from Nantucket Blue, and it's a blueberry vodka flavor. It is really, really yummy. I'm very, very hungry. Ooh, bread, thank you! Oh my god, we have bread.
So
I know. I was like, holy crazy. Yeah. Okay, wait. If you had to get rid of one, bread, rice, or noodles, not just pasta,
wait,
but
keep one or get rid of
one.
In noodles, you just mean pasta.
Pasta, like udon, like drunken noodles, pho. Yeah.
Ooh, had to get rid of one.
Right?
Oh, it's so hard.
Isn't that so hard?
But like based on what I eat, if we're gonna be real, definitely not noodles, that's for sure. And like I love a sandwich, so I feel like I couldn't get rid of bread. It's so versatile, and avocado toast, like with an egg on top of it, is like my favorite too.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Everything else look good? Drinks are good?
Yes. Thank you so much.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you. How is it?
Delicious.
Yeah. We got a, what is this? A meatball ricotta pizza. Ooh, yeah, baby. And some fried calamari.
Good old fried calamari.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, literally.
Yes. Gotta pep it. And then it's hard to eat because everything's like sliding out.
You like?
The ricotta is good. How was dinner?
It was really good.
Dude, that place
was pretty good.
The bread, phenomenal.
I also meant to say, like, the restaurant itself was ginormous.
Yeah, and it was very cute. Cute is not the right word. Like, very aesthetically curated.
Like a railroad vibe.
Yeah, I like the vibes. The service, our server was so nice.
She's very sweet.
Her name was Audrey, I think.
All around, it was very good experience.
Yeah.
Good drinks.
And now we're walking to Marina. It is perfect weather for walking. Like, y'all, I love the fall so much.
Right.
It's my favorite kind of weather. I'm not sweating. I feel good.
Better than this.
It truly doesn't. Gotta be careful because we're crossing the street. Not us running.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show.
Hi friends, it is currently like 11:30, almost midnight, and I'm finally home from the concert. Marina was incredible. I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, but I have not gone to a lot of concerts in my life. Growing up, when I was a kid, that just like wasn't something that my parents really had in the budget, so I didn't really go to my first concert until I was like well into, I want to say my like teens and then my 20s. I went to my first concert when I was like 16 or so, but then I didn't go to another one until I was like in college. So I don't have that much experience going to a lot of concerts and seeing artists that I really like, but Marina, oh my god, you guys, an incredible performer. First of all, she performed like a ton of her old music, which I was not prepared for. I actually like don't look at the set list before the concert, so I truly had no idea everything that she was going to be singing. She sang a bunch of her older discographies like Prima Donna, How to Be a Heartbreaker, I'm Not a Robot, which I actually did not know that song. Like my friend who was with me, Jen, was saying like it's a really popular one, and I was like, wow, I've never heard of that one before. But then she also performed obviously like a bunch of songs in her new album. She didn't sing Adult Girl, which I was a little disappointed about, but also like I totally understand. It's a little bit on this, it's like a song that's a little bit on the sadder side, so I understand that why she didn't perform it, but overall it was incredible. Her vocals are amazing. Like that woman can sing and hit those high notes, and she just sounds magical doing it. And now I'm just so ready to take off all of my makeup, have my face be super clean, and then jump into bed. So this is probably where I'm going to be ending the vlog for this week. If you enjoyed this week's vlog, consider hitting that like button, maybe subscribe to me. I post here on YouTube every Tuesday. If you like more daily type of content, I do post on Instagram and TikTok every single day. I like to do little mini vlogs on there, so check me out. I am available on every single platform. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. So until then, I hope you have the best day, besties. Bye!